everybody, welcome to the first episode of Subway Surfers. I don't really know if I'm gonna do a whole series around this, or I just want to do a different series. USB series over Don Kaput. And that was actually suggested by one of my friends. So we do a CSP. Because on his channel, well, his old channel, he did one for about, and after that, he just, live streamed, I think. Now, he started off doing, now, I think he's on a, whatchamacallit, he's on this, yeah, he's on episode 2 of this. I won't give out his channel. He said he wants to gain subscribers normally. So I won't give out subscribers. Well, I will if you want me to, but he said not to. I really hate ads, bro. Someone's an ad junkie or something. I'm not one of those. Today is just gonna be unboxing stuff. So if you don't know what I'm hitting is right there up in the top corner. I'll show you next time if you want to see. Basically all that noise behind me is I was playing zombies with all my friends. Sorry, I added up to 30 because we were talking. But yeah, me and my friends play Xbox. We play zombies. I died like 12 times in a row. Well, one of my friends, he died like he died so many times. Okay. So guys, today is an unboxing day. As you can see here, I have 459. I'm going to buy as many mystery boxes as I can. Let's go. Okay, 3 hoverboards. That's not bad. Okay. I want to double this up, so I am. I have hacks where you can double up the game. Trust me, it works for some phones. If it's updated, it's basically like a little hack you can do. Last minute the game, and you just I don't know. I have a double. Every game I have a double up hack. So on CSP, I had a little hack where I had unlimited ammo. That's 2 keys right there. So let's keep on going. Do hoverboards? That's it. But why do I keep on getting hoverboards? I don't want hoverboards, dude. I just want normal crates. I think this is the last one I can buy. Yes, and then I can just do. Nope. I'm definitely doubling up that to 1,000 coins because I don't want 500. That sucks, boy. That sucks. I just want to get through this, and I want to get as many boxes as I can. So that's why I'm watching all these ads. I would cut it out, but I don't have an editor because I'm sick. Let me slap you. I will fucking slap you, nigga. Okay, so we're still on this grind, and we're gonna grind these boxes to a die. Let's see. 1,000 coins. I'm definitely doubling it up because I need so many coins. I don't know. Understanding the rules on unboxing videos, so I'm gonna put Subway Surfer and parentheses unboxing. It's gonna be the best video ever. Oh jeez. Oh my god, I'm getting turned on. Just kidding. So that's 2,000. I still got the grind, boys. I still got the grind. Okay. There's one fresh stereo. I don't want flesh right now. I just want coins. I don't want these, dude. 3 head start. I want coins, dude. I don't want guitars. The crap. All those are useful for. Finally, boy. Wow. 214 coins. I'm doubling that up full. I ain't using no 214 coins, boy. Definitely. I'm fixing it in this video off soon, because it's been going on for a long while.